Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1988 BMW 325xi. Very, very rare car. There's only about 56 of these built with a manual transmission imported to the United States. It's finished in red, black interior. Paint is very recent, absolutely gorgeous. Motor's completely rebuilt. It's got a 5-speed manual transmission out of an M3. Short ratio. Very special car. Collector owned. Just love this body style. One of my favorites. Probably own 10 of these throughout my day. As well as the E36. Probably own 7 or 8 of those. M3s and Roadsters. Paint is beautiful. It's got the Recaros inside. Electronically operated sunroof. Lots of new parts. Always garage kept. I don't even see a scratch on this car anywhere. It's fantastic. Made a handful of these in automatic too. With the manual, only 56 imported to the US. Very, very rare. Got the BBS style wheels. Lightly tinted windows. Don't see him in this kind of shape anymore. $166,000 miles. Got 60 on the rebuild. Custom stereo. Power windows, power roof. Also has the tweeters in the doors. BMW wall weather mats. That BMW smell. You BMW owners know that smell. These vintage Beamers, very distinctive. Door shut like a tank. Tight car. Runs nice and straight down the road. guys. Thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. That's 631-339